Welcome to springlib.
All right, so the phase change due to light that is reflected at the air and oil interface is phi 1, and phi 1, phi 1 is just 180 degrees or pi. And then the phase change of light that is reflected at the oil. At the oil, there's no phase change due to reflection, but there is refraction at the oil-water interface, and so that that is given by phi 2, and the additional path length is given by 2t, t being the thickness, over wavelength in oil lambda O times 2 pi. Right, so therefore the net phase change, delta phi, is just the difference between these two, and this is 2t over lambda O times 2 pi minus pi. And for constructive interference to occur, this will be equal to 2 pi times an integer multiple m, which can be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And so this means that t will be equal to 1/2 m plus 1/2 times lambda O, and lambda O is just lambda over refractive index of the oil. So this is lambda over 2 times refractive index of oil times m plus half. That is the minimum that is the thickness. And so now let's test out the thicknesses from the two different lights that are the two different wavelengths that are enhanced. So first we're going to look at the redder wavelength, which is 650 nanometers. Remember, higher wavelength means redder, lower means bluer. So I'm going to use red in here. Here we're going to plug in values from into this equation of m. So that'll be m equals 0, m equals 1, 2, 3, etc. So you have, for m equals 0, t is 108 nanometers. For m equals 1, you have 325 nanometers. For m equals 2, you have 542 nanometers. And you can keep plugging in some values, but let's check to see what these give us. Then you have, so we're going to compare this to 390 nanometers, which is almost at the bluest edge of the visible spectrum. So for m equals 0 here, you have 65 nanometers. For m equals 1, you have 195 nanometers. For m equals 2, you have 325 nanometers. But we already see that there's an answer here. The common thickness that is the smallest common thickness, as we just found, is 325 nanometers. And so the answer, therefore, the minimum thickness has to be 325 nanometers.